whatnot, but how can you sort of come back to do another project with us?
Simple, easy to get along with, and you answer phone calls. You usually get back to me and very easy to get along with.
They got the best people on board, the renovators that did this work. They really helped me with obtaining the finance. They worked with me. You know, they didn't just say, oh no, it's too hard.
The biggest and the best impact from this whole experience would probably be having that peace of mind that she's been able to renovate the house the way she wanted to get the price she wanted.
Hello, my name's Alanna. I'd just like to say thank you so much. You saved the day for me.
You trust in us and we will deliver a high quality product for you.
I really trusted Flipro, and yeah, I've had no regrets at all.
They flipped this house upside down. It's been brought back to life again.
All right, Andy, thanks, man.
Okay.
We'll talk to you soon.
Yep, thank you.
Thanks, mate.